Hyenas are among the most fascinating and misunderstood creatures in the animal kingdom. Often portrayed as cunning scavengers, these remarkable animals play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Let's take a closer look at the origins, habitats, diet, life cycle, and reproductive habits of hyenas, revealing the complexity and importance of these unique mammals. The hyena family, scientifically known as Hyenidae, has ancient roots dating back millions of years. Fossil evidence suggests that early hyena ancestors appeared in Eurasia during the Miocene epoch, around 22 million years ago. Over time, they evolved to adapt to various environments, eventually dispersing across Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe. Today, there are 4 extant species: the spotted hyena, the brown hyena, the striped hyena, and the aardwolf. Among these, the spotted hyena is the most widespread and well-known. Hyenas are highly adaptable and occupy a range of habitats. They are most commonly associated with the savannas and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, but some species, like the striped hyena, can be found in arid deserts, rocky terrain, and even mountainous regions. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in areas with scarce resources, making them resilient survivors in diverse landscapes. When it comes to diet, hyenas are often labeled as scavengers, but this only tells part of the story. Spotted hyenas, for example, are skilled hunters, capable of bringing down large prey such as wildebeest, zebras, and antelope. They hunt in coordinated groups, using teamwork and strategy to outmaneuver their targets. In fact, studies show that up to 70% of their diet comes from animals they hunt themselves. Brown and striped hyenas, on the other hand, rely more heavily on scavenging, feeding on carcasses left behind by other predators, as well as fruits, insects, and small mammals. The aardwolf, the smallest member of the family, has a specialized diet consisting mainly of termites, consuming thousands in a single night. The life cycle of a hyena begins with birth in a den, usually dug into the ground or found in abandoned burrows. Spotted hyenas give birth to litters of 1 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of around 110 days. The cubs are born with their eyes open and a full set of teeth, ready to compete with their siblings for nourishment. In the early weeks, they rely entirely on their mother's milk, which is among the richest of any land mammal. As they grow, they begin to venture outside the den, gradually learning to hunt and scavenge by observing the adults in their clan. Hyenas are social animals, living in complex societies known as clans. These groups can range from a few individuals to over 80 members, especially among spotted hyenas. The social structure is matriarchal, with females dominating males in both status and size. This hierarchy influences every aspect of their lives, from access to food to breeding opportunities. Females are the primary caregivers, nursing and protecting the young, while also participating in hunts and defending the territory. Reproduction in hyenas is unique and, in some cases, quite challenging. Female spotted hyenas possess a pseudopenis, an elongated clitoris through which they give birth, a process that can be perilous for both mother and cubs. Despite these challenges, hyenas have developed remarkable adaptations to ensure the survival of their offspring. Cubs remain in the safety of the den for several months before gradually joining the rest of the clan. In summary, hyenas are much more than the villains of popular lore. They are intelligent, resourceful, and highly social animals, perfectly adapted to their environments. Their role as both hunters and scavengers makes them essential to the health of the ecosystems they inhabit, ensuring that nature's delicate balance is maintained.